Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 3 is also translate to an equation and solve. However, this time there's variables on both sides. The problem says 4 times the difference of a number and 9 is 7 times the number less than 8. So again, I'm going to go on a search for keywords. I try to find my equal sign first by looking for phrases like is equal to, is the same as, and I have the word is right here. So there's my equal sign. That's going to separate the left side expression and the right side expression. So now I'm just going to focus on the left side expression. I'm going to look for words like than or from, or sum of, difference of, product of, knowing that I have to open up a set of parentheses, and I'm going to connect that word of to the word and, so I know what the sum, difference, product, etc. is. So it says 4 times the difference of a number and 9. There's no than or from, so what I see is what I get. I'm going to write it in the order, but I do see the phrase difference of, so then I'm going to look for the word and, so I know what I'm subtracting. I'm going to subtract a number and 9. So I'm going to open up my set of parentheses, and I'm going to subtract a number, which is just a variable, and 9. In the front of that I have 4 times that difference. So I'm going to have to multiply the entire difference by 4. That completes the left side expression in the equation. The right side expression says 7 times the number less than 8. And here I see one of those key words, than. So 7 times the number will be written first in words, but second in symbols. So that's going to be minus 7x, 7 times the number. And the word 8 is written second, but it will be written first in symbols because the words than and from are the only 2 directional words. Otherwise, what you see is what you get, and the order it's written is the order that you write it in symbols. So now I have my equation. 4 times x minus 9 equals 8 minus 7x. I know they're simplifying with the distributive property on the left side. That will give me 4x minus 36 equals 8 minus 7x. Now I'm going to have to collect my variables all on one side and my numbers on the other. I could subtract 4x from both sides, or I could add 7x to both sides. I'm going to choose to add 7x to both sides in order to keep my variable term positive. So 4x plus 7x is 11x minus 36. Negative 7x plus 7x is 0. 0 plus 8 is 8. And now I'm down to that 2-step. Add 36 to both sides and divide by 11. So I'll add 36 to both sides. Negative 36 plus 36 is 0. 0 plus 11x is 11x. And 8 plus 36 is 44. Last step, divide both sides by 11 to make the coefficient 1. 11 divided by 11 is 1x, and 44 divided by 11 is a clean division of 4. So x will equal 4.